We already have $27,000 in profit. That's after cleaning fees. That's after all amenities are spent. And $27,000 in profit is just the start of the year. This is how we live and travel for free. For those of you who are wondering, this is a 2019 Heartland Gateway, by the way. And we remodeled this. This all came in dark, okay? So just picture the walls being kind of this tan beige. All of the cabinets were a really dark kind of chocolate, similar to this couch. And so Kellyanne had a vision. She just, she liked the layout, which is very difficult to find, and I'll show you why. But she didn't like the color. She just thought it was too dark. So we took the time to lighten this whole thing up, installed some fake kind of subway tiles here. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. We've got a full residential microwave, kind of a mini oven. I think it probably would hold a turkey.
You got the turkey on?
But certainly not residential size. Plenty of storage down below the sink, and we did install this reverse osmosis filter. So this was actually something that we added and won't live without, quite honestly. This keeps your water tasting really good and very healthy for you.
Water sucks. Gatorade is better. What?
Residential fridge, double freezers below. We installed some clips here to keep it from opening up on the road. Lots of storage around the refrigerator. We just buy mini everything. Little mini Instapot, mini ice maker.
I shall call him Mini-Me.
Mini griddle for pancakes. Lots of storage down here. And then tons of storage all the way around. So this is one of the huge selling points of this rig, and what we were really looking for when it came to selecting a model that was going to work for us was a second bedroom.
Did it? We did. Should have been. Look at all this floor space.
So
We
much,
did aerobics in here.
so many activities.
Not only did we want a second bedroom, but our wish list actually included a second bathroom, which we have here, a little half bath. Before we get to that, this is a pull-out queen. I hear it's not that comfortable, unfortunately. The couple guests that have slept on it didn't speak very highly about it. Again, these large windows just showcasing these views makes this a very relaxing place to stay. This is actually another slide. You can see here where this has popped out by about 3 feet. On top here, we've got a loft. Kids love it, the nieces and nephews. And then this ladder actually just tucks right back in here when you're ready to hit the road. Plenty of storage in this room also. It's enough for two. I imagine for families it'd be great. And back to this half bath, you can see we've got a couple cabinets here, medicine cabinets, tons of storage. This is nice because I'll admit, I can find 30 minutes to spend in a restroom. I just get distracted in there. I'm reading, I'm studying, I'm YouTubing, playing a game.
Who does number 2 work for?
That's right, buddy. You show that turd who's boss. We're gonna get through this.
Whatever I'm doing. All right, let's head upstairs. And so this is moving out day. We're moving back into the house. We've got all next month, we've got 22 days rented already because we wanted to hit the road. So we've got a 6-week trip planned. We're gonna hit some desert areas, and it allows us to earn almost $9,000 after cleaning fees and utility costs. It's down to almost 8. You can see up on the top level here, we've got a king size bed. This is pretty cool because it'll actually lift up for more storage down below. We're gonna be actually stripping this today. Sorry for the mess. And we've got some decent closet space. Now, closets in these things, these cabinets do feel a little cheap, especially for $108K MSRP original sticker price on this thing. And we have a washer dryer. Another huge selling point was this had the capability of being added, which we did negotiate into the deal with the dealer.
I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
From Camping World, which is where we bought this. Camping World has had an interesting reputation. I don't know that I would necessarily swear by them. They treated me okay, but had some frustrations. We've got a cabinet down here, dresser. Again, we just come in and out. We've got a wagon, and we just pull it right up into the house. In here, we've got another full bath, lots of cabinet space. We've got sort of this, what do they call that again? Not accordion. I can't remember. Anyhow, it allows you to come in or out from either side of the hallway here, the stairway. You can see that we've got a full-size shower, plenty of room in there. I get a little claustrophobic, being 6'3", and there's lots of room. Little storage there. We added some towel racks, a couple hooks, and these are porcelain residential size toilets. They're very nice, actually.
Really spectacular, spared no expense.
And then again, we've got kind of this medicine cabinet sink vanity area with lots of storage there too. So this is it, guys. It's not bad living, obviously. You know, it's not the house, but at the same time, we already have $27,000 in profit. That's after cleaning fees. That's after all amenities are spent. That's after the hot tub is cleaned professionally after every single visitor. And $27,000 in profit is just the start of the year. So we obviously anticipate doubling that at a minimum. And again, this is how we live and travel for free. Let me know what you think, guys. Much love. Take care.